Analyzing a vast data is really challenging and we always look for some easy ways. Filter is an easy way to analyze the data, but it gets frustrating to go in filter again and again. Today we will see how we can manage a vast or small data through dropdowns. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeMonk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the sales data which I have to analyze, and the data is really vast. It's more than 100 employees. So in case we will have to analyze the data, we will have to create the filters. And to analyze the data through filters is really challenging task. So instead of analyzing data through filters, we are going to analyze data in different way. So what will be our different way? I'll show you. This is the same data what we have got in our last page. Means over here. Over here I'll select name of the person from the drop down and the data will be featured. So this is the first way. Now we will see the second way. Here I have got three criteria: name, region and item name. So in case I want to check the sales of Albert region wise, I'll have to select region from drop down and the item name from the drop down. I'll change the name Alexander. So Alexander's sale in east region of mobile is 0, means no sales. When I change the region, I have got the data. If I change the items, again the data of a specific item is getting featured over here. If our data increases over here, means in the main sheet, we will see the impact in rest of the sheets. I'll copy Alexander from here and I'll drag it. So earlier our number was till 131. Now it got till 139. So we will see the impact on rest 2 of the sheets. I'll change the name Alexander and our data got increased over here also. We will come in sheet 2. When we come over here, data is not increased. So what may be the basic reason behind this? Maybe the items or region. So we will check in our first sheet which items we increased. So we increased tablet of west region. We will come over here. We will change it to west and we will change the items as tablet. Wow, it's got increased over here also till 139. So we will see how we can create such type of filters. I'll open a new worksheet. This is our data where we are going to insert our formulas. First of all, I'll do some conditional formatting. We will go in home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to yes. I'll select green color from here. Okay. We will go in conditional formatting once again, manage rules, duplicate rule, edit rule. I'll delete yes from here and we'll type no and we'll select red color. Okay. So we have done our conditional formatting over here. We will copy this. We'll select the column of yes and no. Right click the mouse, paste special, formatting. And our formatting is done. I'll create borders for this and we'll take this in center. We will add a new sheet over here and we'll name it setting. We'll come in sales data. We'll select this. We'll copy, Control C or Command C. We will come over here and we'll paste it. Now we have to create the drop down as per name, region and items. So we will delete this. We are going to create the list just for the drop downs. I'll insert a formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to unique bracket open array. So what will be our array? We will go in sales data and we'll select all the names. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So all our names are over here. In case you want your names to be in alphabetical order, you will have to insert sort over here, bracket open, bracket close and hit enter. There are only 4 regions: east, west, north and south. So if you want, you can insert it manually also. And if you want, you can take the data from back. Plus unique bracket open data. We will select this, bracket close and we'll hit enter. We are not going to insert sort over here because we don't want it alphabetically. Items plus unique bracket open array. We will go in sales data and we'll select all the items from top to bottom. Bracket close, hit enter. We can arrange it alphabetically. Sort, bracket open, bracket close, hit enter. So our list is ready now. We will come in our sales data. We'll click inside our data and we'll press Ctrl T. A small box will pop up to create the table. My table has headers. Do OK and table got created. In case you want to remove the filter button, it can be done from here. Filter button is really not required over here, so I'll remove it. We can select table styles. It's totally optional. Creating table is not optional, but selecting table style is optional. I'll leave it. I'm not going to select any table style. The style what I got automatically is enough for me. We have to be in table tab, and over here we get the option of table name. So we will name our table as sales data. Ensure there is no gap between sales and data. It should be a single word. So our table got renamed. Now we will insert two tabs and we'll rename it data as per name, and second will be data as per name, region and items. In case we want to color our tab, it can be done from here. Now we will come in our main data and we'll copy the headings. Control C or Command C. We will come over here and we'll paste it. We'll paste this here also. We'll create borders. We will copy this and we'll paste over here. So borders got created over here also. We will go in view and we'll remove the grid lines. Now we have to create drop down list over here. We will select two cells and we'll put a border. Name, we will put some color over here and we'll put some color for fonts also. We'll make the font bold. I'll click over here. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will take the source from our setting sheet. We will select this and we'll do OK. So our drop down list got created. We will take this in center and we'll increase the size. We will copy this and we'll paste in our second sheet. So our drop down list is over here also. Now we will insert our formula over here, and the formula will be plus or equal to filter bracket open. So array is our sales data. We will type S and we got name of sales data over here because we had renamed our table as sales data, comma include. We have to include sales data once again. S, we will select sales data from here. Square bracket. As soon as we will press square bracket, we will get name of all the headings over here. So we have to select name, square bracket close is equal to, we have to select the name, close the bracket and hit enter. So all the data of Alexander is over here. The format got changed, but we can manage it properly. The date format got changed, so we will select this. We'll right click the mouse, format cells, date, and we can select the date format as per our requirement. We will manage this also. Our conditional formatting got vanished over here. So in case you want conditional formatting over here, just copy this, come to the sheet, select your data, right click the mouse, paste special, formatting, and your data is formatted now. Now when we will select the name of any person, the data of that person will be featured over here. We will do some lazy work over here. We will just copy this. We'll come in our next sheet and we'll paste it over here. So one drop down is already created. We will create two more drop downs. I'll select this and we'll paste over here. We'll paste one more for the third drop down. So second will be region. I'll rename it, and third will be items. I'll click over here on the drop down. We'll go to data, data validation, and we'll change the source. We will select region. OK. And the drop down for region got created over here. We will do same with items. We'll go to data, data validation. We'll remove this source from here and we'll select items. OK. So drop down for items got created. Now we have to connect our data with name, region and items, and our formula is sitting just in the first cell just below serial number. Means the formula in first cell is active and the formula in the rest of the cells are not active. So we will have to do the changes over here only. I'll click just behind sales data and will insert a bracket. Now I'll copy the formula, Control C or Command C, into bracket open. We will paste our formula over here. We will delete name and we have got the option of region. We will select the region. We will change the cell reference. Instead of C2, we will do it F2 because our drop down of region is in F2. Bracket close, comma, if there will be no data as per region, what we want to feature no sales. double inverted comma, no sales, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So data of Jaden as per east region is this. When we will change the region, west, data is changing accordingly. Now we will connect the third thing, means items. So we will go in our active formula, we'll copy the formula, Control C or Command C, we will click just after the bracket, into bracket open, we will paste our formula, we will delete the region from here, and from the drop down we will select items. We will change the cell reference. So cell reference will be I2, we will delete F and we'll put I. We will close the bracket over here and we'll hit enter. We will select these cells, we'll go in home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule equal to, and we will type no sales over here. We will select red color and we'll do OK. So whenever there will be no sales, it will be highlighted in red. We will change the item, earbuds, and sales of earbuds are getting featured over here. Earphone, no sales, tablet, no sales, watch, no sales. We will change name of the person, Alexander, and sales of Alexander is getting featured over here. We will change the region, east, we will change the name once again, and all the data is getting featured over here very properly. We will increase some data in our main sheet and we'll see the effect on rest of the sheets. So now our data is till 148. We have increased the data of Colby and of South, and the item was tablet. So we will go in our sheet and we'll check the effect. Colby, South, tablet. So our data is getting featured over here very properly. So in this way you can analyze your data very easily and very properly. I'll provide the link of this sheet in my description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.